If you're building a pro touring Camaro or just looking to fit a wider tire under your 67 without modifying the wheel wells, then this upgrade is for you. Today, we're diving into Classic Performance Products' narrowed stock height leaf spring kit, made specifically for the 1967 Chevy Camaro. It's a sleek solution for modern performance, with vintage style. Let's talk about why CPP designed this kit. The stock leaf spring setup on a 67 Camaro was never meant to accommodate today's wider wheels and tires. This narrowed stock height leaf spring kit is precision engineered to gain crucial tire clearance without altering your car's ride height or factory ride feel. You get performance and fitment without compromise. Here's what's included in the kit: a pair of narrowed leaf springs, hardware kit, left and right side tie plates, high performance shackle kit. Now, let's talk about results. With this kit, you can gain up to 2 inches of additional inner clearance per side depending on your rear end and wheel back spacings. That's a huge win for anyone running deep dish wheels or wide tires out back. The stock ride height stays the same, so no unexpected changes to geometry or ride quality. It's the best of both worlds. So, if you're looking to unlock the full potential of your 67 Camaro's rear end setup without sacrificing ride height or originality, CPP's narrowed stock height leaf spring kit is the way to go. Hit the link in the description to learn more and see detailed install instructions. And don't forget, when it comes to classic performance, trust the name that's been doing it right for decades. Classic Performance Products, built to perform. Subscribe for more builds, installs, and performance how-tos from CPP. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.